GH for STEM Juneos Challenge. Vincent YEBOAH is a junior scientist from NSUTA St. Paul's RCJHS in Techiman, which is in the Brongahafo region of Ghana. Vincent uses D-size batteries, 2 safety pins, strong copper without insulation, copper with insulation, a pair of pliers, a permanent magnet, and a wooden block to create a simple motor. Now, let's see what Vincent can do with this long list of items.
To begin with this experiment, you need to take your copper with insulation. Then you pick your AA battery and wrap it with a piece of paper. And wind the copper with insulation around the battery. Then you push the battery from the paper smoothly and take off the windings of the copper with insulation. For safety, you wrap the end around it. Then remove the tip of the insulation and do same to the other end.
A motor converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. The copper wire is wound around the battery to form what is known as a solenoid. Solenoids act as an electromagnet which current passes through.
Then I'll pick the strong copper without insulation and I'll take a bit from it. Or I'll wrap this conductor without insulation on the coil and I'll use my plier to straighten the conductor and do same to the other end.
A conductor allows current to pass through to produce electricity.
In the next process, I'll pick my wooden box and attach it with the safety pins by using the notice board clip.
The entire setup is held in position by the wood.
I'll connect the connecting wires to one of the safety pins and do same to the other end. In between the safety pins, I'll place my permanent magnet and fix in the coil in the holes of the safety pins. I'll connect the connecting wires to the D-size battery, so I'll give it a push to start it. As you can see, our coil is rotating, and that is a simple mechanism of motor.
There is magnetic force which keeps the coil rotating. The current is supplied by the battery.
Motors are used in driving conveyor belts in factories and machine parts that involve rotation, movement, lifting, and pushing or pulling. My name is Doche Komla Edem, science teacher in NSUTA St. Paul's RCJHS Techiman.
Motors help rotate parts of devices used in our homes, such as air conditioners, fridges, and fans. It's time for Juneos Practical STEM Quiz. A solenoid generates magnetic fields when current passes through it. So, make a solenoid by coiling a wire around a nail and connect the terminals of at least a 9V battery. What will happen when you immediately bring a needle or a pin closer to the solenoid? A. The needle or pin will be pushed away. B. The needle or pin will be attracted to the solenoid. Or C. Nothing will happen to the needle or pin. What do you think of Vincent's experiment? Cool, right? You should try this at home, either by yourself or with your friends from school. Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org and please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at WeGoInnovate or WhatsApp us on 055 406 6248. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.